The 7 statutory requirements for a petition for name change in Oklahoma. I'm Tulsa attorney James Wirth, and we're about to talk about the requirements for a petition for a name change. All right, so Oklahoma law does have a specific act, Chapter 33 of Title 12, and that goes over the requirements to do a name change in Oklahoma, and there are certain requirements that have to be in your petition, and those are laid out actually in Title 12, Section 1632. And there's 7 of them, and we'll go through them. The first one, name and address of the petitioner. That's the person that's requesting the name change. 2, the facts regarding residency. The law requires that you be a resident of the state of Oklahoma for 30 days and a resident of the county that you're filing in for 30 days prior to filing. So you need to put that in there and assert that. 3, date and place of birth of the petitioner. 4, birth certificate number and the place where the birth is registered. So that's one that maybe people don't think off the top of their head that they need. But yes, you do need to put in their birth certificate number and the place where that birth certificate is registered. 5, the desired name. Obviously, you need to put in the name that you want to change to. 6, a clear and concise statement on the reasoning of why you want that name change. And 7, you need to assert under oath, penalty of perjury, that you're not requesting the name change for some sort of fraudulent purpose, some sort of illegal purpose, or in order to hinder creditors. So essentially you need a good faith reason for the name change, and you need to positively, firmly state under oath that it's not for any fraudulent, illegal purpose or to avoid creditors. So those are the requirements of the petition. Those are in addition to the normal requirements of the petition, where obviously it needs to be signed by the petitioner or the petitioner's attorney. It needs a verification. That means it needs to be signed under oath with a notary on somebody who's making the factual basis, the petitioner, asserting these facts are true and correct, needs to have the case style at the top. So we've got those normal requirements of the petitioner, then you've got those 7 requirements specific to a petition for name change. If you've got more questions about the process, I'm going to do a number of other videos that covers that. But if you want to talk about your specific circumstances, you're going to want a confidential consult with an Oklahoma attorney. And for that, you can get it scheduled by going to makelawEasy.com.